Hello, this is Oluwatunseyi here. Welcome to the most important meal of the day, breakfast. And what better way to start your morning than with a delicious bowl of oatmeal? But wait, before you dismiss oatmeal as boring, I need to tell you that I'm not talking about an ordinary oatmeal. This is a breakfast that is both healthy and delicious, providing you with the needed calories to kickstart your day. With a balance of carbohydrates and proteins and healthy fats, this oatmeal breakfast will keep you energized and focused all morning long. And the best part, you can customize your oatmeal to your liking with a variety of toppings from fresh fruits to crunchy nuts and seeds. So whether you're looking to lose weight or simply maintain a healthy lifestyle, this oatmeal breakfast is perfect to start your day. So grab a spoon and a pot and join me as we dive into the preparation of this world of delicious, nutritious oatmeal. Starting with the main ingredients, 1 cup of oats contain 230 calories, and it's an excellent source of fiber that keeps you feeling full for longer. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds add approximately 60 calories and provide a hefty dose of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. For extra flavor, a dash of 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon adds a little or no calorie, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. Always check the wraps or containers of the things you consume to be able to have an idea of the amount of calories they contain. The total calorie intake for a day can vary depending on various factors such as age, gender, activity level, or overall health status. However, as a general rule, the recommended daily calories intake for an adult is between 2,000 to 2,500 calories per day. These amounts can vary depending on your personal needs, and it's essential to speak with a qualified healthcare professional to determine the appropriate calorie intake for your specific needs. 5 date fruits contain around 103 calories and are rich in potassium and fiber. Once upon a time, there was a wise old owl who perched atop of a big oak tree. One day, a group of animals came to him asking advice. The first animal said, "Oh, wise owl, I want to be rich and successful. What should I do?" The wise owl replied, "Work hard and be patient and never give up. Success comes to those who persevere." The second animal said, "Oh, wise owl, I want to be popular and well-liked. What should I do?" The wise owl replied, "Be kind, be humble, and treat others the way you want to be treated. Popularity comes to those who are genuine and caring." Finally, the third animal said, "Oh, wise owl, I want to be happy and content. What should I do?" The wise owl replied, "Well, my dear friend, that's easy. Just eat a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast every day." The animals were surprised and asked, "Why oatmeal?" The wise owl chuckled and said, "Because it's healthy and delicious and will give you the energy and focus you need to tackle anything life throws your way." And so the animals followed the wise owl's advice and lived happily ever after, with a bowl of oatmeal breakfast to start their day. The moral of the story: success, popularity, and happiness are all within reach as long as you work hard, be patient, and of course enjoy a nutritious breakfast. Remember, starting your day with a healthy meal sets the tone for the rest of your day, and there's nothing better than a bowl of oatmeal to do the job. So go ahead, experiment with different toppings and flavors and make your oatmeal breakfast an exciting part of your morning routine. If you want to hit that target of a little above 600 calories, you've got to skip the dates and add banana only, or you skip the banana to add dates only, or simply add the two but use half of the quantity I used in this video. Let's add some delicious toppings to our oatmeal to make it more nutritious and flavorful. Adding 1 banana to your oatmeal provides around 109 calories and is an excellent source of potassium and vitamin C. For some crunch, let's add 1/8 cup of almond seeds, which contain 20 pieces or 20 seeds and contain about 121 calories and is an excellent source of healthy fats and proteins, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin E. 2 strawberries contain about 10 calories and are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that are beneficial to your health. 7 blueberries add approximately 5 calories to your breakfast and are packed with fiber, vitamin K, and vitamin C. Finally, let's top it up with a quarter cup of full cream powdered milk, which contains around 118 calories and provides calcium and vitamin D. This meal is packed with nutrients that will give your body the energy and nourishment it needs to start the day off right. If you think it's too thick, have your water by the side. You can add some water or you simply sip it as you take the meal. Otherwise, enjoy your delicious breakfast. Remember, starting your day with a healthy breakfast is crucial to maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. When we add everything together, the total calorie count of this healthy oatmeal breakfast is approximately 756 calories. If you take the whole of this, possibilities are that you wouldn't ask for lunch, but again, it depends on the activities you engage in and of course, your health status. And you may just need to have something or nothing to snack on until dinner. If you're conscious about maintaining your blood sugar levels, then it might be wise to consume dates and bananas in moderation. These fruits are high in natural sugars and can potentially cause a spike in blood sugar levels if eaten in excess. However, if you're someone who has been diagnosed with diabetes, it's best to avoid these fruits altogether. Instead, focus on incorporating low glycemic index foods such as leafy greens, berries, and nuts into your diet to help regulate your blood sugar levels. As always, it is important to consult your medical practitioner before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have a pre-existing medical condition. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your overall health and well-being. I have done a lot of oatmeal recipes here on this channel. You can click the different links in the description to see them. And that's a wrap, friends. I hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing benefits of oatmeal breakfast and all the creative ways to make it your own. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.